She grabs the soap, pulls the wedding band from her hand. She about to get her some get back on her good man. Jumps into the minivan and heads on down the street. See that punk's getting his hump on in the next town. She about to show that chump that what goes round comes round. Get down on any old random clown she meets. So who's your daddy, girl? Now I'll give you a hint. Sitting right in front of you singing with this guitar on his head. Yeah, I heard you got married down in Tennessee. That fool said I do when he was asked does he. But that ain't my problem, girl, you sure ain't married to me. Girl, you've been up in college now for way too long. They filled your head with that noise about how you've been done wrong and gave you formulas for how to make a woman strong and free. Still, you can't help the feeling that you need some dick, and all those sensitive dudes, man, they ain't that slick. You need a real man, big, strong, and thick-headed like me. So who's your daddy, girl? Now I'll give you a hint. That's his caddy, yeah, and this is his dick. Yeah, I heard one thing on my mind. Spit the feminism, go on, drink that wine, cause I'd like nothing better than to fuck you blind tonight. Girl, I can see you're hurting by the way you flirt. You're way up and down the bar. Just now I'm trying to chill, but if I must I will invite you to my car. But I won't carry on all night long telling you about my life. You can call this love, but it ain't made up the stuff of man and wife. Girl, why'd you dress like that and come down to the bar if you won't even let a good fella inquire what you hiding up inside of that tuna jar vagina? Acting like a prude won't get you nothing but dissed. If you was a dude, I'd touch you with my fist, but you're not, so I guess I'll just try another pickup line. Who's your daddy, girl? Now I'll give you a hint. If your pussy's broke, I got the perfect split. Yeah, only got one thing on my mind. Your attitude is ugly, but your ass is fine. It's a shame you got to be such an elephantine bitch. If you ain't got the wisdom to enjoy yourself, then take your lame ass home and employ yourself. Cause your daddy wants it badly. Give it up or fetch the switch. Woo-hoo!